Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we're going to be wrapping up the Air Jordan 185s. Now as you can see, it's pretty much all finished. For the upper, all that I got to do is stitch on some of the wings, some stuff like this, throw that on. We got to punch some holes out and the upper will be all ready. From there we could transition into the toe and get that ready, but for right now we're pretty much finishing this all up. As you can see, I already finished all the inside, so we're ready to go. As you can see, it's looking pretty nice. We got the purple inside as well as the purple upper right there, purple Nike signs. That's all that the purple we're going to be using. So far this is what we're doing right now. I just got to run a couple threads on the upper, got to attach the wings as well, and then we'll go to the nose, we'll go to the toe. But for right now, let's get started from here. Also real quick, I've been rolling the leather over the edges, as you can see, so it's on the back side. So that's the front side right there. That's the back side. It's just rolled over so you have a nice clean edge on the leather. I've been pretty much doing that for all the pieces of leather, if that wants to focus in. As you can see, all the edges are very nice. They're all rounded off, so it's looking very nice. But that being said, it's coming out very nice. All I gotta do is just finish up some stitchings, as well as I also gotta finish up the top piece right here, because you got to stitch that top piece on. So let's get to the stitching machine right over there, start sewing it together, and then we'll see where we're at. So the upper is all finished. As you can see, it's looking fairly clean, very nice, but I'm gonna stop right here. This stitching took a little bit longer than I thought, just because of all the thick materials. It was, a little struggle to get all through it, as well as, I had to take my time and go very slow through it. But this is where we're at for right now. So, we got the stitching right there. We did the lace loop, we did that stitching, we did the wings as well. So we're pretty much all finished. I also put the liner on the inside and got that all ready right before the video. So this is what it looks like right now, but this is coming out pretty nice so far, especially with the all purple inside. I'm a big fan of the purple. That's probably my favorite color so far that I've used for shoes. This purple just looks very nice. It's a very nice suede. But the next step is to finish the toe in order to connect it to this. We already finished the tongue, if you've seen that in the past video, so that should be all ready. I'm also going to be throwing on one of my custom tags on the front, so that'll be cool. I also got to put the liner around the tongue, but that shouldn't be too difficult. Just cut out a long strip of leather, stitch it all around, it's all finished. But for right now, this is what the 85s look like. So some of the differences, as we said before, you got the pointed back toe or the back heel. You got the kind of the curve, more curve in the wing. So I think that's gonna be super cool and it'll stand out compared to other ones I've made in the past. So this is what it looks like. Also, the patterns on here, I guess you could say it's more accurate than the ones that I've had before made, just because everything fits perfectly. I didn't really have to cut any other materials on the edge. It kind of fits just exactly how it's supposed to be. But I'm super happy with how it's turning out, especially with using this pattern for the first time. But thanks for watching. This is it. Purple metallic Air Jordan 1s, 85 Air Jordan 1s. So this is it. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Go check out all the links down below. I got the links to all the tools that I use. I got it to my Facebook group, my online shoemaking class. So if you want to learn to make an Air Jordan 1 for yourself, enroll in that class. I also got my merch, and become a member today. Really helps out the channel. That's what supports my channel to keep on going. But thanks for watching and have a great day.